Join Dementia Research, what is it? In a nutshell, it is a place where people can register their interest in taking part in dementia research. It was launched nationally last month, and it's a collaboration between Alzheimer's Research UK, the Alzheimer Society and the National Institute for Health Research. And I'm just going to pose a slightly flippant question and ask, is research into dementia important? The Prime Minister recently identified dementia as one of the greatest challenges of our time, and he went on to say we need to get better at researching into dementia, diagnosing people with dementia, and then treating, helping and caring for them. Now, as has been mentioned earlier, considering over 850,000 people are affected by dementia, and considering many recent trials have unfortunately failed, I would have to agree with David Cameron and say, yes, it is a challenge, but that research offers us hope and a way of meeting that challenge head on. And so Join Dementia Research. It's a way of letting people get involved, and the hope is that it will increase the number of people involved in dementia research and will increase the coordination and the speed of the clinical research network. If you don't know, the National Institute for Health Research is the research arm of the NHS. There are 15 clinical research networks across the country, and one of them is the Thames Valley and South Midlands, which is Oxfordshire, Buckinghamshire and Berkshire. And the point of all this is that we want to improve dementia care. Historically, how do people get involved with studies? It will probably be via a healthcare professional. So it could be that a memory clinic nurse or your GP would tell you about what's going on locally. But this has been a bit of a postcode lottery. And I would say we're very lucky in Oxford because we have a research active population. So thank you very much. But we know that not everywhere is so lucky. Indeed, recent government statistics say that only 5% of dementia patients have been involved in research. So clearly people want to know how to get involved, I think, but they don't always know how to. And so we hope that Join Dementia Research will increase the pace of research by making it easier for you. Who can register? The excellent news is that everyone can register. So people with or without dementia. If you're a carer, you can register. We always need healthy controls, so absolutely everyone, please do register. The benefits of signing up to this service, increased opportunities to take part, and it's easier to take part. And we hope that with more people getting involved in research, that we'll have better treatments and improved care. What should you know about signing up to the service? There's no one-size-fits-all in terms of what a research study may be. So you could be involved in a clinical drug trial or an observational study in the community, or it could be answering a questionnaire. If you sign up to the service, you're just expressing an interest to take part. There's no obligation, and even if you do sign up to a specific study, you can withdraw at any time, and your care won't be affected. In terms of what happens when you register, you'll be asked to complete some demographic information. You can set your preferences. For example, you can say, I only want to be involved in research in Oxford, or you can say, I'm happy to go all the way to Newcastle. It's entirely up to you. You'll then be able to see which studies are happening and where you match the criteria, and you can express an interest in a specific study so that a researcher will contact you, and then you'll hopefully go down the route of becoming involved. The most important slide that possibly I should have started with is how do you sign up to this wonderful service. The website is joindementiaresearch.nihr.ac.uk. I am stood out in the hall and we have lots of flyers which have all this information on. There's also a paper registration form which we have, so please do come and grab rafts of paper from me. Or you can phone the helpline, which will have lots of lovely helpful people from Alzheimer's Research UK on the other end. This is what we hope to achieve nationally. We'd like to have over 12,000 volunteers after year one. Currently we're at 5,000, so we're not doing too badly in a month. And just to say, we are using it locally. Studies are happening in Oxford Health Foundation Trust, Oxford Universities, hospitals, NHS Trust, and in Berkshire. So please do join up and come and talk to me if you'd like to know anything more about it. And now let's go and enjoy some tea and coffee. Thank you very much.